Guys, it's Randy and welcome back to my channel. I don't know why as soon as I sat down to record they decided to power wash and mow the lawn outside. But anyway, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 quick hairstyles you can do if you have a failed wash day or you're trying to stretch your hair to the next wash day. All of these styles are very quick and effortless because that's the look I'm always going for. And the hair that I'm working on right now is the 4th day from my wet look. I'll go ahead and link that video in the description box if you're interested in watching my wet look. I'm not going to be doing any voiceovers. I'm just going to let you guys sit back and watch me do my hair. So hope you guys enjoy.